Number 1. Conquest Knight 15. The Conquest Knight 15 is one monster that's built with armor right at the manufacturing facility. What's left is a top-tier armored vehicle that hosts a Ford 6.8-liter V10 engine with 326 horsepower and 462 foot-pounds of torque, a set of MPT Continental tires, ballistic glass throughout, and takes nearly 4,000 hours to hand build, so it's about as reliable as they come these days. This truck doesn't guzzle gas, it inhales it, about 34 liters per 100 kilometers, according to the company. The vehicle starts at $629,000, but most go for several $100,000 more. It weighs twice as much as a Hummer and can stop a bullet from an AK-47. Number 2. Carlman King. Carlman King knows how to blend the notions of excess and necessity into one drool-worthy package. Meet the officially titled Ground Stealth Fighter, a $3.8 million armored vehicle based on the Ford F-550 chassis. However, with the help of over 1,800 designers and 30,000 man-hours of custom building, this ride is unlike anything we've come across before. It's all powered by a 6.8-liter V10 engine to boost the heavy armored vehicle to almost 90 miles per hour. It is also adored in carbon fiber and sheet steel, complete with a bulletproof finish. Hosts a 4K entertainment system inside, as well as a satellite television, private safes, and is specifically made to order after a down payment equivalent to the price of a starter home is made. Number 3. Range Rover Sentinel. Probably the sleekest and most subtle armored vehicle on the list, the Range Rover Sentinel is exactly what you'd expect from the legacy luxury brand. First things first though, thanks to its bulletproof armored construction, this SUV can not only withstand incendiary bullets, but DM-51 grenade explosions from both beneath the floor and above the roof as well, as TNT blasts up to 15 kg. It's all compliments of a 6-piece armored steel passenger cell to keep everyone protected. In emergencies, occupants can exit Range Rover Sentinel rapidly and securely through the armored escape panel. Located in the rear luggage compartment, it allows for escapes even if the doors are unusable. Number 4. Paramount Marauder. In case you find yourself working around in an abandoned minefield, rest assured you'll remain safe and sound as long as the Paramount Marauder functions as your commuter vehicle of choice. That's because in addition to mine-protected construction, this armored beast is designed for cross-country agility and speed, as well as tugging along a payload upwards of 9,900 pounds. The Marauder can also seat up to 10 individuals, can handle anywhere between an 8 kg and 14 kg TNT blast, and hosts a double-skinned space armor hull to protect against kinetic attack. The Marauder is extremely flexible and can be configured as an equipped and armored personnel carrier, or with the addition of appropriate weapon systems, an effective wheeled combat vehicle. It accommodates a crew of 2 in the front, plus 8 fully equipped soldiers in the rear, and is available in a standard or stretch version, with various driveline and armor options. Number 5. Rezvani Tank. Known mainly for their impressive supercar, the aptly named Tank, their newest addition to the lineup, is positioned as a tactical urban vehicle built off a chassis of a Jeep Wrangler, and as familiar as the build may look because of this similarity. The performance here takes the Tank to the next level. We're talking a 6.4-liter Hemi under the hood that pumps out 500 horsepower on demand 4x4 system, thermal night vision, body armor, of course, off-road suspension, aircraft-grade aluminum wheels, and suicide doors for good measure. The latest in ballistics armor capable of stopping high-caliber weapons and assault rifles. Radiator, battery, and fuel tanks are all wrapped in Kevlar. Underside is also protected against explosive devices. Number 6. Teradyne Gukra RPV Civilian Edition. Teradyne is a Canadian company that specializes in building all-armored, all-terrain vehicle called Gukra that's so rugged it makes the Hummer H1 look cuter than a Toyota Yaris. Armored from the top to the bottom, the RPV's body is capable of withstanding 7.62mm armor-piercing rounds. Worst comes to worst, it can also drive through over 30 inches of water. Power is provided by a Ford-sourced 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine that sends 300 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque to all four wheels via a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2-speed transfer case. Built in Ontario, the Teradyne Guka RPV Civilian Edition is on sale now with a base price of approximately $278,000. That's a relatively affordable price for a vehicle that seemingly can withstand guerrilla warfare, natural disasters, zombie attacks, and the apocalypse. Number 7. Toyota Devolro King David. Can't go wrong with an armored tank based on a Toyota Tundra Crewmax Platinum, which is luckily what Devolro did with their King David project. As one of their most popular builds, this package includes every must-have option for those looking to own a street-legal tank. First off, there are the truck's armored components made of ultralight composite material that's bonded directly to the chassis to exceed B6 levels of protection. Also under the hood is a 530 horsepower 5.7-liter V8 that keeps performance at high while additional features such as reinforced step bars, a worn 9.5 CTI winch, custom steel front bumper, heavy-duty Vision X LED fog lights, R35 Nitto off-road tires make this ride any backcountry explorer's dream. Number 8. U.S. Specialty Vehicles Rhino GX. Boxy and muscular in its stance, the Rhino GX is one of the largest SUVs available on the market today, not to mention the actual tank resemblance. This beastly SUV hosts the power and off-road prowess to support it as well. Try 10,000 pounds of towing capacity on for size. It's all powered by a 6.8-liter V10 engine, or 6.7-liter V8 if you choose, for impressive torque and acceleration performance, while dual-layer cold steel and roll cage body structures ensure safety at all times. Additionally, a brawny exterior is complemented by a luxurious interior complete with a premium entertainment system, a Smart Nav 5 navigation system, and plush leather seating. Number 9. Texas Armoring Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. As if the G63 AMG 6x6 wasn't intimidating enough, Texas Armoring decided to go ahead and build one that can resist fire taken on by an AK-47 or M16. And that's exactly what you see here. A seemingly unstoppable six-wheel drive monster, more suited for commuting through conflict zones than our city streets. Here Texas Armoring opted to keep the stock AMG power plant for good reason, but might not be as quick off the line thanks to the enhanced armor weight. At any rate though, this is one monster we surely hope is on our side if we ever see it take to the asphalt. Number 10. Incus Huron. Incus Huron is a multi-purpose vehicle which is able to protect its passengers in high-threat environments within almost any climate condition. The vehicle is designed and equipped to operate in convoy protection, law enforcement operations, and border control all over the world. The vehicle's ballistic design and special armor protection are aimed to maximize its ability to protect passengers in any environment and allow the vehicle to endure high levels of attacks while maintaining its full performance. Huron's perimeter armoring of the passenger compartment and engine bay is designed to provide protection against 7.62 by 51 SC ammunition, 7.62 by 51 M80 NATO ball ammunition and tested. The floor is fitted with blast protection to defend occupants against fragmentation from detonation of 2 DM-51 German ordnance hand grenades, or equivalent light anti-personnel mines. Each armor plate is laboratory tested and certified not only by Incus Armored Vehicle Manufacturing, but also by third-party laboratories as required by law.